Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. Lovely to see all the eager faces in their t-shirts ready and waiting. Welcome to Clash of the Code Gurus, Kaun, Banega, Mahaguru, the ISEE Quiz 2025. Come on, guys. Yeah. It's the big event of the industry, so you should clap since you're all from that industry. I know we're calling it the ISEE Quiz 2025 and it's actually happening in 2026. That's the only liberty we are taking today with factual inaccuracies, right? Everything else has to be spot on. Due to completely reasons out of our control, this quiz is happening in Jan 2026. But this is the second edition of the quiz. How many of you were there last year in the first edition of the quiz? Okay, nice. That's only about 25% of the people. So welcome to all the others. Lovely to have you here. This has been a multi-stage journey. We had an online round in which several hundreds of industry professional teams took part, representing the best companies in the elevator and escalator industry. And from there, we shortlisted the top quite a few teams and had another online round from which we've selected the 18 best teams in the country. And here you are, as teams of two or solo in some cases, representing your organizations to find out Kaun, Banega, Mahaguru. We have 3 semi-finals lined up today, rapidly one after the other, each one taking about 45 minutes, to determine 2 teams from each semi-final who will qualify through to the grand finale tomorrow. And the grand finale, of course, is truly grand because it promises some huge prize money, unprecedented prize money, and of course bragging rights that will stay with you for at least 1 year as the expert or the Mahaguru of the industry. I think before we start, it's also only fair that we should give a round of applause and thank all our sponsors. Please let's hear it for Fermaton, Fujitech. Can we have the list? Johnson, Kaun, Mitsubishi, Otis, Schindler, Tektronix, and TAC Consulting, and of course supported by the Bureau of Indian Standards and EEST, our quiz partners. Please give everyone a big round of applause. Without their support, a show like this wouldn't be possible, and it's of course lovely to be in Number Chennai to do this show. We did it in Bombay last year, and here we are in the lovely, cool city of Chennai to do this quiz. Yeah. All right. We are here in semi-final 1 of the ISEE Quiz 2025. So let's go straight ahead. I think it's time to meet our teams who are going to do battle here, and to determine who the top 2 teams will be. Let's have the slide on, please. Let's meet the semi-finalists. Team number 1, please welcome Anantraj and Ranjit from Schindler, India. Only one essential condition in this quiz. I know Schindler has brought like a huge contingent and a lot of teams. Please applaud for the other teams also, right? Because if you guys don't applaud, then there will be nobody else left to applaud, right? So please do that. Welcome Anantraj and Ranjit on table number 1. Neighboring them as team number 2 in today's semi-final. Please welcome Ramanathan and Satisai from the home team, Chennai Metro Rail Limited. It's like CSK playing in cheer park. You are the home team here. So all the best. Team 3 in today's semi-final are again from Schindler, Akshay and Vaibhav. What we've seen many times in quizzes, and this is of course an industry-specific quiz, but I also host a lot of other school quizzes and intercorporate quizzes, is that when there are 2 teams from the same institution on stage, the rivalry between them is the most. Whether they beat Their goal is usually that they beat the other team from their own institution, whether they beat one of the other teams or not. So it should be interesting to see. We have 2 such pairs here on stage. And as team number 4 in today's semi-final are the first team from Fujitech, Aditya and Kishore Kumar. Fujitech. number 5. Let's move to team 5. Yes, team number 5, Electrical Inspectorate, Manoj Kumar and Mehul Kumar, Government of Gujarat. And I suppose is the real beauty of this quiz. We have all sectors represented and across multiple industries, if you will, Chennai Metro Rail, Fujitech, Schindler, and special welcome, of course, to the Electrical Inspectorate, Government of Gujarat. Gujarat are always winners, so let's see what happens today. And rounding up our semi-final list is our solo warrior from Fujitech, Srikanth. There last year, were you last year's part of the winning team, Srikanth? Okay, but representing another brand last year. All right, very good. Good lesson from this. Not necessarily the lesson to take away, but if you win the quiz, you will win a lot of prize money. You might also land yourself another job. Yeah. Okay. Like I said, that is not the lesson to take away. He got the job before. Okay, we'll keep it that way, no, Srikanth? Alright. Great. Let's quickly hear a round of introductions. Team 1, please take the mic and introduce yourselves.
Anantraj Biradar from Schindler India.
Please keep the mic a little.
Anantraj Biradar from India, Schindler India Private Limited. So I am from CRD. Pune.
Ranjit Deshmukh from CRD, Schindler India.
And were you guys here last year as well?
No.
Alright. Welcome to the quiz. Team 2.
Ramanathan from CMR.
Please speak a little. Can we have some more volumes on all the team mics, please?
Ramanathan, CMR manager. Myself, Alaka Satya Sai Teja. I am assistant manager electrical, Chennai Metro Rail Limited.
Welcome, Chennai Metro Rail Limited. Were you guys here last year for the quiz? You were. Okay, very good. Welcome back.
Akshay Madi, Schindler India Private Limited, and I am a senior engineer in Schindler. Last year we were there.
You were here last time? Okay, excellent.
Myself, Vaibhav Varokar from Schindler India. I'm senior engineer.
Welcome, Akshay and Vaibhav. All the best.
Kishore Kumar from Fujitech India, project engineer.
Myself, Aditya. I'm from Fujitech engineer.
Welcome, Aditya and Kishore.
Myself, Manoj Hansalya, Electrical Inspector, Government of Gujarat.
Myself, Mehul Sidpura, Government of Gujarat.
Welcome, gentlemen.
Myself, Srikanth from Fujitech, senior design engineer.
And welcome, Srikanth. Alright, let's hear a round of applause for our 6 semi-finalists. So remember guys, the objective here is not necessarily to win the quiz, which if you do is great. But even if you come second, that will do. Because there are no special prizes for today for first or second. The objective is to really come first or second to be able to make it. Oh yeah, okay. So the idea is to make it through to tomorrow. We just want to do a test of the buzzers as well. So team 1. Yeah, can you just move it a little forward so that I can also see it? Yeah, great. Yeah. Team 2. Right. Team 3. Team 4. 5. And 6. Great. Okay. Buzzers only for one particular round. You can keep your hands away right now. You don't have to worry about it. We have 3 rounds in today's quiz. We'll tell you how it goes. Round 1 is called floor selection. Here it is. A grid will appear with 9 options. You just pick a number from the grid, whatever you think is your lucky number. The number you pick has nothing to do with the answer. So if you pick number 3, it's not as if 3 will be part of the answer or anything. You just pick a lucky number. You'll get a question. It's a multiple choice round. So you have 4 options. You have 60 seconds of time. I'll first read out the question, then show you the options. You can attempt this twice. If you get it on the first attempt, you get 10 points. If you get it on the second attempt, you get 6 points. If you don't get it after the second attempt, the question closes. We do not pass any of the questions, and there are no negatives, of course. So you can guess 2 times. Please discuss among yourselves, and one of you speak into the mic and clearly give me an answer. If I hear both of you speaking, I won't be able to make out who's answering. Yeah, and only one answer per team per attempt. So discuss, decide, nominate the spokesperson from your team, and have that person answer the questions. Questions don't pass here, so each team has a chance to essentially open their account. Ready? Clear? Alright. Those were the standards. Here is our grid. Please pick Schindler.
5.
Number 5. Here's your question. The clearance between 2 consecutive steps of pallets in any usable position at the tread surface shall not exceed what value? The clearance between 2 consecutive steps of pallets in any usable position of the tread surface shall not exceed 4 value. Your 4 options: 6 mm, 4 mm, 5 mm and 3 mm.
6 mm.
6 mm is your first guess. Let's see if that's right. Absolutely right. Plus 10. Schindler, good start. 6 mm is absolutely correct. Right. Back to the grid. Let's ask team 2. CMRL to pick. Number 7. What is the maximum kinetic energy of the landing and car door at average closing speed? What is the maximum kinetic energy of the landing and or the car door at average closing speed? Your 4 options: 8 joules, 5 joules, 10 joules or 12 joules.
10 joules.
10 joules, okay, they're picking 10 joules. That's option C. Is the right answer. Very good. Plus 10 to you as well. So team 1, team 2, both of you plus 10. Team 3.
1.
Number 1. Alright. Here's your question. In UCM type test, what is the acceptable variation for test results on the stopping element? In UCM type test, what is the acceptable variation for test results on the stopping element? Your 4 options are plus or minus 10%, 20%, 25% or 15%.
Plus or minus 25.
Plus or minus 25 is incorrect. You have a second option.
Plus or minus 20.
Plus or minus 20 is the right answer. Is the right answer. So you get yourself 6 points for answering on the second attempt. So team 3 gets 6 points. Back to the grid. Team 4.
9.
Number 9. Okay. What is the maximum design angle beta of comb teeth? What is the maximum design angle of comb teeth? 35 degrees, 40 degrees, 30 degrees or 25 degrees. Take your time, you have 60 seconds. We're being very generous with time in this round.
First one, 35 degree.
Sorry?
35 degree.
35 degrees is the right answer. Very good. That's plus 10 to you, Digitech. Yes. GOG, what would you like?
3.
3. 3, please. In door lock type test, which standard governs the leakage current test procedure? In a door lock type test, which standard governs the leakage current test procedure? You have your 4 options there: ISEE 609471, IS 2824, IS 732 or IS 17900.
IS 2824.
IS 2824, they say confidently, and that is the right answer. Excellent. Plus 10. Okay. Shrikant.
8.
8. Shrikant's trying to remember what all he picked last year so that he can replicate that. Okay. What is the requirement of goods lift leveling accuracy? What is the requirement of good lips leveling accuracy? Is it 10 mm, 5 mm, 15 mm or 20 mm? Comments?
20 mm.
How much?
20 mm.
20 mm, okay. Slightly doubtful answer, but it's the right answer. Very good. Plus 10 to you too. Excellent. So good answering by all the teams. Let's do an audience question from here, or let's do a couple of audience questions from here to get the audience geared up as well. Let's do question number 2. How many tests must be performed for safety gear designed for a single mass? 4, 5, 6 or 7? Yes? 4 you say. Let's see. Is correct. Come take your first audience prize. We have prizes. Yeah, I know you're pleasantly surprised by that, but we do have audience prizes. Yeah. Most of the audience is other contestants, so it's alright. Yes, give him a round of applause. Very good.
Sir, sorry for interruption. Here.
Yeah.
I have a reflection of light.
On the screen?
Yes. Of that light.
Move that slightly.
Yes. Can I get
Or
that light?
you want to turn those lights on? Yeah. That there's a reflection on that monitor. And the lights கொஞ்சம் dim பண்ணிடுங்க மேல.
Fine. Thank you. Thank you.
No worries. Fujitech, are you okay?
Yes. Yes.
Able to see, maybe you can try and see the screen also. Yeah. Or you can right now see that. You're okay, right? All of you okay? This side is fine? Okay. Okay. Great. I think we can do, we have 2 more questions unused, right? Let's do 1 more for the audience. Let's see if any non-quiz participants can answer this one. Let's go to question number 4. What is the stopping accuracy requirement in ARD operations? Are you a participant? Okay, what is the answer? Plus or minus 40 mm? Is correct. Very good. Come take a prize. That's the end of the first round of semi-final 1 of ISEE Quiz 2025. Time for us to take our first look at the leaderboard. Alright, all teams on 10 except team 3, Schindler, who are on 6. They'll catch up very soon. There's a long way to go in the quiz, no worries at all. Let's go to round 2. We did the floor selection, so now we are going up. Again, we're going to give you a grid, but this time there are no multiple choice questions, right? It's an open-ended question which you have to answer within 30 seconds. The questions, this one, since we did the first round from 1 to 6, we're going to do this round in the reverse order from 6 to 1. The third round is on the buzzer, so it's common to everyone. Here, there's only 1 point scoring scheme, which is 10 points for a correct answer, whether you answer on the direct or on the pass. There's no negative marking at all, so feel free to guess. There is a timer again of 60 seconds. Please give your answer within that. Quizmaster's decision is final. We also have some eminent judges over here. In case there is a dispute you wish to raise, again, I will request you that if you have a dispute with the answer, raise it now. Do not come back once the quiz has been concluded and then ask us to retroactively change anything. We won't be able to, right? So in case, I mean, it has been vetted, tested by the foremost experts in the country. But if you have a disagreement of any kind, please raise it then and there when that question is there. Once the points are awarded and when we move to the next question, it's closed. Right? Okay. Time to start. Yes. Fujitech Shrikant.
8
8 again. Alright. Some huge lucky number thing going on. Yeah. The light intensity in the working area of an escalator shall be of at least what value? Give your answer in the correct units. The light intensity in the working area of an escalator shall be of at least what value? Again, personally, I find this quiz very unique because Pat has just said, it's okay, let them consult the material, it's not a problem. You still have to know where to look and what to figure out and answer it. And the idea is to impart the knowledge, it's not to see if you've mugged up stuff necessarily well. So, unlike other quizzes where it would be anything but to have material in front of you to actually look at, this is fabulous. Okay, you have 15 seconds.
200 lakhs.
200 lakhs, you say, and that is the correct answer. Let's see. Wonderful answering there. Give him a round of applause. 10 points to you, Shrikant. Well done. Yes, gentleman from Gujarat, what would you like?
6.
Number 6, right? Here's your question. Minimum clear opening at each landing for home lift shall be of what value in width and height? So you'll have to give us a composite answer which has both the width and the height in mm. Minimum clear opening at each landing for a home lift. Take your time, no rush.
800 and 1900 mm.
800 by 1900 mm, width and height is an excellent answer, absolutely right. 800 by 1900 is perfectly correct. That's plus 10 to you. Go back to the grid. Yes, Vijay.
5.
Number 5. In case of indirect acting hydraulic lifts, actuation of the final limit switch shall be effected by what? Time starts now. In case of indirect acting hydraulic lifts, the actuation of the final limit switch shall be effected by what?
Cylinder ram.
Say again.
Cylinder ram.
Is a good answer. That's good enough. Ram is all we wanted in the answer. Very good. Give him a round of applause. Team 4 also gets themselves plus 10. Team 3. What lucky number this time?
2.
2. Ram. Good answer. As per the formula for establishing the load capacity of a car, what would be the capacity of a car of 2 meters by 0.5 meters? You can give your answer. I'll give you one of two options. You can either give me a load in kgs or you can give me in people. Ideally, give me an answer in kgs.
408 kg and 6 number of passengers.
408 kgs and 6 people passes to CMRL. Quickly on the pass, please. Only 10 seconds on the pass, guys. We'll use up the remaining time, but you'll have to pass. Answer quickly on the pass. I have to pass you. That's a long time. Please, other teams, you have to be ready with an answer, right? Before things pass. One chance if you want to say something, CMRL.
Clear. 340 kg.
I'll pass you for now. Into the mic, I can't hear you at all.
1020.
1020 what? kg? No? Shrikant?
360.71 kg.
Is a good answer. 361 kgs, or if you have to say people, you would say? At least take care.
Near to 5 passengers.
Yes, that's good enough. That's excellent. You know your stuff. Sorry, they came to the closest correct answer. So 361 kgs or 5 people.
Sir,
So, yes.
the area is 1 meter square, right?
Go back to the question, please. Yeah. If there is a doubt, please address it there. Yes.
Sir, the area is 1 meter square.
Okay.
So from formula, you will get 408 kg load and 6 number of passengers. This
Okay. I mean,
Sir, but it is as per the formula.
Sir, but as per this high standard, it is coming 1 meter per square, 1 meter square area. Minimum area is 1 meter square.
hold on. Let them check.
First question.
Saying the minimum area is 1 meter square as per this, what was given here.
One.
Yeah. All right. Okay. So that's 10 points to Shrikant on table 6. Question now, CMRL. Yeah, let's see the answer again. Okay, 361 kg. CMRL.
1.
Number 1. As per Snell, severity level of catastrophic is associated with what? We just need a word in the answer.
Catastrophic level which can lead to death, system loss or severe environmental damage.
So, what is your answer? What is the first word you said? I'll take that as your answer.
Which can lead to death.
Oh, good enough. That's all we wanted. That the severity level of catastrophic is a situation which can potentially lead to death apart from environmental loss and so on. That's 10 points to table 2, CMRL. And Tima.
8.
8. 8 is done? Yeah, 8 is done. Sorry, the colors are a little off there. Please pick another number.
5.
5. 5 is also done. You have 3, 4, 7 and 9.
7.
7. Minimum suspension ropes for home lifts shall be of what specifications? So I need a number in terms of number of ropes and I need a diameter, both.
4 ropes, 8. 4 ropes, 8 mm.
4 ropes, 8 mm. Okay, passes.
3 ropes, 10 mm. There are 2 options.
Okay, what are your 2 options?
4 ropes, 8 mm and 3 ropes, 10 mm.
Okay, passes. Quickly on the pass.
3 row.
Sorry?
3 row.
And I need a dia as well.
Dia 8.
Final answer?
3 ropes and dia 8.
Is the right answer. 3 ropes and dia 8 mm is what we have as our final answer. Okay, I think you came close but probably confused it. That is another 10 points to Srikant at table 6. The second steal, give him a round of applause. Excellent. We're done with all the teams having made an attempt on this. We have 3 remaining questions, so we'll take one of it to the audience. We are preserving a couple in case we get into a tie break later. Audience, what number do you want? 3, 4 or 9? We'll ask audience to pick non-participants. Anybody wants to try? Yes, one of you? Yeah. Number 4, okay. Here's your question on number 4. Chance to win a book. For escalator of 35 degrees, what is the maximum permissible rise? Just give your answer in meters. Not the contestants. You are not participating. No, what's the answer? Very good. Come take a prize. 6 meters is correct. Very good. Okay, 2 rounds done. In the semi-final 1, ISEE Quiz 2025. Let's hear a warm round of applause for all the teams. Oh my God, look at that leaderboard. Fujitech leading the quiz on 40. CMRL, the other Fujitech team, and the Electrical Inspectorate all on 20, vying for the second spot. Schindler teams on 10 and 6. Okay, this is going to be pretty close. We've finally reached the top floor of this quiz. That's round number 3. And here are the rules. Buzzer round. 9 questions. I am going to read out the question. So please listen to what I am saying. Nothing will come on the screen. Only question number 9 has a visual. First 8 questions are purely text with no text on the screen. You just have to listen to what I am saying. Most importantly, while I am reading the question, if you hit the buzzer, I will stop reading. Okay? So suppose I say what is the minimum requirement and you hit the buzzer, you have to think of what the question may be and give an answer. So wait for me at least to get to the operative part of the question before you interrupt me. We have 2 attempts, which means one team when they buzz, you have to immediately give me an answer. Please don't buzz and then discuss, right? Whoever's buzzing, give me an answer immediately, and you get it right, you get 8 points. If you get it wrong, you get -4. We will reset the buzzer, and other 5 teams can hit the buzzer on the same question, again for 8 points or -. Clear? Everyone ready? Buzzers have been tested, so I think you want to just test the buzzer one more time, just to make sure. Team 1, okay. Team 2, alright. Hold on. Team 3, can you move the water bottle, etc. slightly to the side so that I can see the buzzer? Excellent. Team 4, 5, and 6. Great. Very good. And audience, please don't shout out prompt answers. This is very, very important. I know it's very exciting. Many of you are participating. Please, when it's your turn on stage, you can answer. Don't prompt or shout now. Okay. Question number 1 of the buzzer round. Let's move the slide. Yeah, okay. Yeah, we're going to do it live. Okay. We have a live scoreboard there, so you can see the scores changing after every question. First question. As per IS 17386, the car and its associated components. Who's gone? Team 3. Answer?
25 mm.
The question was, as per IS 17386, the car and its associated components, that's all I read, shall be at a minimum distance of how many mm from the counterweight? 25 mm is a very good answer, plus 8 to you, team 3. There you go, you're back in the race. Question number 2. Buzzers have been reset? Okay. Buzzer reset, please? Yeah. Alright. What is the allowed minimum floor area of a fire lift? Who's gone? Team number 3 again?
1.43 meter square.
Say again?
1.43 meter square.
Brilliant answer. 1.43 meter square is absolutely right. Another plus 8 to you. Now you've gone to second place suddenly. Alright, buzzer reset. What is the minimum permissible clear width of the lift entrance? Yes, team 3? Into the mic, please. 700 mm, that's 3 on 3. Wow. You did some practice on some buzzers at home and care? Really? Yeah. Like beating somebody up or something? Oh. And that buzzer needs to be used for 2 more semi-finals and tomorrow's final. If you break it, we don't have an option. You have to only go and get me one. Okay? Whether you hit it gently or hard, the buzzer will still go on. Good. Question number 4. Can I ask? What is the permissible width of moving walk with an angle of inclination up to 6 degrees? Yeah? Amazing answer, plus 1.65 meters, correct? Oh my goodness. That is totally crazy. Okay, other teams, buck up. First place is going gone at this rate. Okay, Srikanth cannot like stomach the fact that he can come second in a quiz. So, what is the maximum tripping speed for the overspeed governor in lifts with? This time it's team number 4. Yes. Answer. You stopped me. I said what is the maximum tripping speed for the overspeed? That much I said. So please give me an answer quickly.
1.15.
Incorrect. -4 to you. Reset the buzzer. Let me complete the question. You can't buzz again, team 4. Reset the buzzer, please. What is the maximum tripping speed for the overspeed governor in lifts with instantaneous safety gears, excluding captive roller type? No, team 2 has gone. Answer?
1 meter per second.
Incorrect. -4 to team 2 as well. That's all. Only 2 attempts per question. Sorry. Correct answer is 0.8 meter per second. Why do you put your mic on? Is it off? People need to listen to your superb answers. Is it on? Battery low. Okay. Even the mic has got overwhelmed with your answering. You can for now just share the mic between team 2 and team 3. Just, I mean you can take it from him when you answer and see. You don't have to, why they don't need a mic to answer over. No, I'm just saying you can share it for now. Keep it with you, it's fine. All right. Great. Question number 6 coming up. What is the maximum allowable sinking of the car below the landing level when supported by poles? What is? Okay, who's gone? Team 2.
0.12 meter.
Excellent answer, +8. You got your -4 back, +8, 0.12 meter. There you go, you're up to 24 now. We have 3 questions remaining, so 24 points at stake, everyone. So do your calculations. Anybody can still, make it, including you guys. Yeah. Question number 7. What is the minimum height of the toe board that must be provided on the car roof? Team number 6, yes.
100 mm.
Or in meters, that would be?
0.1 meter.
Excellent! Is the right answer. 100 mm or 0.1 meter is the perfect answer. With that, Srikanth moves to 48 and has more or less sealed the quiz, I think. But strange things are known to have happened in quizzes. Penultimate question coming up. Buzzers have been reset. What is the minimum horizontal distance required between the enclosure and the moving parts of the lift? Team 1, yes. Answer into the mic.
25 mm.
25 mm? Incorrect. -4, reset the buzzer. Who's gone? Team? Reset the buzzer. Who's gone for it? Oh, team 2, yeah.
50 mm.
Is the right answer. That is the correct answer. 50 mm for 0.5 meters. Okay, that's a vital 8 points to you. And team 1 got themselves a -8, -4 that's been given. Okay, we are going to go to the last question. So let's look at the leaderboard. Srikanth from Fujitech has 48. So I think you are clearly through. There's no worries at all. But there is a battle for second place. Akshay and Vaibhav from Schindler with some amazing answers have got up to 38. With that last answer, CMRL is up to 32. Either of you can qualify. The other 3, I think, are kind of out of the race, but you never know. Somebody might take a negative and you might get it right and you can still tie and so on. So, Srikanth, if you don't mind, you can stay away from the buzzer so that the others have a fair chance. I mean, nothing's going to change because you have won anyway.
Yes, definitely.
Okay, thank you. Alright, so the last question is a visual. Last question is a visual. I will tell you, I'll show you the visual and ask you the question almost simultaneously. Identify the type of group. Yes, team 3. Answer.
Semicircular undercut.
Is a good answer. Semicircular curve undercut is perfectly right. Clutch answer under pressure there on the nick of time. And now let's see where that has taken us to the leaderboard. Schindler were in 5th place before this round began, and 6th place actually, I think, before this round began. But the final leaderboard reads Anantraj and Ranjit from Schindler on team 1 at 6 points, Aditya and Kishore Kumar from Fujitech on team 4 at 16 points, the gentleman from the Electrical Inspectorate Gujarat on 20 points with some solid answers. Probably the buzzer is very new to you. Ramanathan and Satyasai, the home team from CMR, with some very good answers. Give them a round of applause. 32 points. But having practiced beating up people and beating up the buzzer, with a phenomenal streak of answering in the last round where they got 5 of the answers right, Akshay and Vaibhav from Schindler qualified to the grand finale, and defending champion comfortably winning today's quiz solo at 48 points, Srikanth from Fujitech. So our first 2 finalists are Fujitech and Schindler. We're going to take a little break and then we will go on to semi-final 2 to find out who our next 2 finalists are. Do stay with us for the same. Thank you all team for playing, and thank you for being a wonderful audience. One photograph with all the teams here, please. That if you can also please join, and invite any other dignitaries who might need to join on stage. Can we have one with all the teams and then one with the 2 qualified teams? Please come up to the center. Right, good afternoon and welcome back. After that very exciting first semi-final of ISEE Quiz 2025, Kaun, Banega, Mahaguru, Clash of the Code Gurus, we are ready to move into the second semi-final. Again, 2 teams from the 6 teams here will qualify to the grand finale tomorrow. Let me also tell you a little bit about the prizes. The winning team tomorrow is going to get 5 lakhs. Runners-up are going to get 3 lakhs. And the 3rd place team tomorrow is going to get 1 lakh. And apart from these wonderful trophies will also be yours to take back to your office and proudly display them. All the other semi-finalists who have made it here, we are assured of getting 10,000 rupees each. Right, so a round of applause for that and for this amazing initiative, ISEE Quiz 2025, Kaun, Banega, Mahaguru, Clash of the Code Gurus, semi-final 2 lined up. Once again, let's give a big round of applause and thank you to all our sponsors, Tomato, Fujitech, Johnson, Kaun, Mitsubishi Electric, Otis, Schindler, Tektronix, and TAC Consulting, and the Bureau of Indian Standards, and EEST. We, by the way, are Nexus. My name is Vicky Srinivasan, and we are very happy and proud to be able to curate this quiz and bring it to you. Among other things, we also do all the questions for Kaun Banega Crorepati, the other famous Kaun Banega quiz that's around, apart from Kaun Banega Mahaguru. Alright, let's meet our teams in semi-final 2. Team number 1, please welcome Shubham and Akshay from Shimla. Neighboring them on team number 2 are Haridas and Satish from Fujitech. So let's see who's going to join them. On table 3 is our second team from Shidla for today, Rakesh and Nilesh. On my immediate left, on table 4 are Niket and Abhay, also from Shidla. On team 5 are their friends and colleagues also from Shidla, Lakshmikant and Vikas. And rounding up our lineup for today, very, very interesting, we have a college contestant. Okay. Mohammad Aksan from Sri Saraswati Jayalalitha College, Podachi. Please give him a big round of applause. The first time in the history of the ISEE Quiz, we have a solo college student on stage. Wow, welcome. Very well done to get here. Fantastic. This is exactly what we want to see, this combination of industry, academia, government, everybody coming together for this fabulous event. Time to meet the teams, this time to hear from you guys and do a mic check and a buzzer check. Team 1.
Hello, my name is Shubham Jambe. I am an R&D engineer from Schindler. Hello.
Akshay Kumar from Schindler.
And were you guys here last year as well? Okay, welcome. And please try your buzzers once. Thank you. Towards the end of the last round, just move your file folder a little away so that I can see the buzzer, not required in the first 2 rounds. Team 2.
Myself, Haridas, from Fujitech, senior engineer.
Satish Kumar from Fujitech.
Welcome. And first time was here or did you take part last year? Very good. All the best to you. Please try your buzzers once. Okay, thank you. We'll keep it in the middle later so that both of you can try. Not needed right now. Team 3.
Myself, Rakesh Chaudhary from CRD, Schindler.
Hello, I'm Nilesh Thomre from Product Development Schindler.
And first time semi-finalists. All right, we have a bunch of new teams here. Give them a round of applause. Rakesh and Nilesh.
Niket Bhatia from Schindler, working as principal engineer. Abhay Yadav from Schindler.
Okay, welcome. Niket and Abhay, your first time here as well. Were you here last year? Last year you were here. Yeah, familiar faces. Okay. Team 5.
My name is Vikas Wag. I'm from CRD, Schindler, India.
Hello, Lakshmikant from Schindler, India.
Okay, and coming here, you were here last year?
No, first time.
Okay, you were here. Okay, great. Good combination. And on table number 6.
Myself, Mohammad Akshan, currently pursuing third year BCom Business Analytics at Saraswati Jayalalitha College, Podachi.
Fantastic. Please give him a big round of applause. How did you get interested in this subject?
To learn something new, and I basically do quizzing, and I love quizzing.
Fantastic. Okay, we have a quizzer who's here and bringing his quizzing talents by preparing for this for the specific industry. Excellent. All of you know how this works. You've seen the previous semi-final. 3 rounds, multiple choice in the first round, open in the second round, and buzzer in the third round. 2 teams will qualify. Scoring pattern clear. Timer for each question. 1 clear answer into the mic. Okay? Let's go to our floor selection. 9 question grid. Multiple choice plus 10 plus 6, 2 attempts. Okay, let's get started. Team 1, Schindler, what number would you like?
8.
Number 8. What is the maximum allowable sinking of the car below the landing level when supported by poles? 0.05 mm, 0.12 mm, 0.15 mm, 0.05 meters, 0.12 meters, 0.15 meters.
Sir, 2 options are same?
Yeah. So,
Okay, 0.12 meter.
0.12 meters, okay. Is the right answer. Well done. Good start. 10 points. Back to the grid. 8 is done. So,
5.
5. Here we go on question 5. In safety gear type test, which of the following is not part of the post-test checks? Okay, which is not part of the post-test checks? Here are your options. Hardness comparison, deformation inspection, electrical insulation test, or photo documentation. Which of these is not part of the post-test checks in the safety gear test?
Electrical insulation test.
Okay, after some discussion, they decided it's electrical insulation test. Let's see if that's correct. That is correct. Well done. Well worked out. I think you logically thought through all of it and got it. Well done. Plus 10 to you. Team 3. What number would you like?
Number 4.
Number 4. What is the minimum thickness of a laminated glass panel? Here are your options. 2 by 3 by 0.76, 3 by 3 by 0.86, 5 by 5 by 0.76, 3 by 3 by 0.76. Minimum thickness of a laminated glass panel. Seconds. Remember, if you want to take 2 guesses, you'll have to do so within the time. So I would suggest you quickly guess one now. Rakesh and Nilesh.
Last option, 5.76.
5.76 is incorrect. Quickly guess another option. You have 8 seconds.
3.76.
3.76 is the right answer. Well done. 6 points. You saved yourself a nick of time. 3.76 is right. Okay. Team 4, what would you like?
1.
Option 1. Okay. Question number 1 for you. How many tests are required for unintended movement detection beams? 5, 10, 15 or 20? Take your time, no rush.
I'll go with 20.
You'll go with 20. 20 is incorrect. You have another option. 5, 10 or 15. You have 30 more seconds, so. Seconds. 10 seconds. Need an answer now?
We'll go with 10.
You'll go with 10? Is correct. Well done. I don't know whether that was a kind of educated guess finally, but you got it right. 6 points to team number 4. Team 5.
7.
7. What is the minimum obstacle to be detected in the door protective device? Answer in mm. Here are your options. 40 mm, 30 mm, 25 mm or 50 mm. What is the minimum obstacle to be detected in the door protective device? Seconds.
30 mm.
How much?
30 mm.
30 mm. 30 mm is incorrect. You have one more option. Time. Sorry, time's up. You didn't give your second guess. Audience, what's the answer? 50 mm they say. Yes, 50 is the right answer. Sorry, tough luck. You should have just taken another guess. So remember, you have the 1 minute to take 2 guesses, right? So don't delay your first guess so long that you can't take a second one. Tough luck, no problem. Long way to go. Back to the grid. And let's ask a college student what he wants. 9. What is the minimum width of comb teeth at thread surface? 4 options: 1.75 mm, 2 mm, 2.5 mm, 2.25 mm. What is the minimum width of comb teeth at thread surface?
2.5 mm.
Answered pretty confidently as 2.5 mm, which is perfectly right. Wow! What an answer! Amazing! Plus 10 to you. Fantastic! Fantastic answering. Okay, let's do a couple of questions for the audience. I think 2, 3 and 6 are remaining. Let's do any one of those. Number 2. In safety gear type test, how many tests must one set of friction paths withstand if rated speed exceeds 4 meters per second? Who wants to try from the audience? Here are options: 2, 3, 4 or 5. No, not the contestants. Somebody who is not taking part in the semi-finals can answer. Yes? 2. Okay, because he told you. Okay? But it's right, you can come and take a prize. 2 is correct. Come on, we can applaud our audience prize winners. Let's do one more question for the audience. Let's do number 3. In door lock type test, how many times must an AC locking device open and close the circuit? 20, 30, 40 or 50 times? Let's have someone try it. If nothing, take a guess. Come on, somebody there. One of you. Anyone? Non-contest? Yes? 50. 50 is correct. Come take a prize. You have a well-prepared set of friends who are helping you with prizes. It is good. Round 1 of semi-final 2, ISEE Quiz 2025, Kaun, Banega, Mahaguru is done. Time for our first look at the leaderboard. Okay, 3 of the teams are on 6. That's Schindler, Fujitech and Mohammed from Tyagaraja College. 2 of the teams, 2 Schindler teams on 6. And of course, Lakshmikant and Vikas will open their accounts soon. Not a problem. Round number 2 coming up, where we're going to go up. Same rules as before with the grid, but open-ended questions. You can use your reference material, no negatives, 10 points on direct and pass. Mohammed Aksan, please start us off. What number would you like?
9.
9 again. Okay. Clearly come prepared with the lucky number today. As per IS 17386, the height of the vertical portion of the extended apron shall be at least what? As per IS IS 17386, the height of the vertical portion of the extended apron shall be at least what? Give your answer in meters ideally, or give it in mm and I do the math. It's fine. You have 30 seconds.
0.75 mm.
0.75?
Meter.
0.75 meter is the correct answer. Well done. It is 0.75 meter. Very good. Plus 10 to you again. Go back to the grid. Yes. Schindler. Number? 8. 8. Okay, great. In case of access to the pit through the landing door, what is the number of pits which is required for a pit of 1800 mm depth? Okay, what's your answer? Into the mic, please, so that the audience can hear as well.
2.
2 gets you not 2 points but 10 points. That's the right answer. It is 2. Well done. You got a slightly easier question, but you knew it immediately. Very well done. Plus 10 to you. You open your account this time convincingly. Team 4.
5.
5. What will be the safety factor for all driving elements on an escalator? What will be the safety factor for all driving elements on an escalator?
The safety factor is 5.
The safety factor is 5. The question number is also 5. Your team number is 4. You get 10 points. That's correct. Well done. It is 5. Good. All teams scoring. So all 3 teams getting plus 10. Over to you, Rakesh and Nilesh. What number would you like? 5, 8 and 9 are done.
4.
4. The residual braking load of the coated steel belt must not be less than what percentage of the minimum braking load? So we need a number. The residual braking load of the coated steel belt must not be less than what percentage of the minimum braking load? Once again, repeating to all teams, on the pass you will get just exactly 10 seconds. Yeah, you want to make a guess, you have 20 seconds remaining. What percentage?
60%.
Is that a blind guess?
Remember.
Kind of educated guess, kind of, you remember
Kind of
it?
remember.
You remember it right, it is 60%, well done. In the nick of time, that is correct, plus 10 to team number 3. Team 2, Fugitive, what number would you like from the grid? Grid please.
6.
Number 6, okay. Performance level for idle or standby is considered as 2 when the idle or standby power is less than or equal to what? Performance level is considered as 2 when the idle or standby power is less than or equal to 30 seconds remaining. Seconds. Answer please.
2.
How much?
2.
2. No, passes. Team 1. Can't you go ahead and put that mic out?
80.
80 in what units? It's power. Okay, it's not 80.
100 watts.
How do you know all this? It's absolutely right. 100 watts is correct. Well done. Great answering. It is 100 watts. It is 100 watts. Phenomenal answer there. Plus 10 to Mohammed Aksan on table 6. And Schindler on table 1. What number would you like? 4, 5, 6, 8, 9 are wrong. 1, 2, 3, 7 is left.
3.
3. What is the requirement of goods lift leveling accuracy? What is the requirement of goods lift leveling accuracy? Answer needed in mm.
20.
20 mm, perfect, well done, great answer. 20 mm is bang on correct. Plus 10 to team 1. Okay, couple of questions. One question for the audience. Let's do question number 2. What is the escalator duty category for more than 20,000 passengers per day? Just need a word in the answer. Yes. Intensive. Very good. That is correct. You've already won a prize. You already won a prize? Okay. You can take a second one if you like. If you want to give that to somebody. Come. Take a prize. Alright. That brings us to the 2/3 point of this second semi-final of ISEE Quiz 2025 on Banega Mahaguru. Let's see the leaderboard. Oh wow! In the lead is our college student, Mohammed Aksan with 30 points. Shubham and Akshay are in second place with 20 points. Rakesh and Nilesh and Niketan Abhay on 16. Fujitech on 10 and Lakshmikant and Vikas also on 10. Anybody's game because there are 72 points at stake in the last round. Okay? We reached the top floor of this quiz. 9 questions on the buzzer. Last question will be a visual. Everything else will be read out by me. And plus 8 minus 4. Let's do another test of the buzzers. Team 1. Team 2. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, excellent. Let's go to our scoreboard live. Ready? Here we go. Question number 1. In rupture valve type testing, what is the maximum time allowed for pressure exceeding 3.5 Gs? That's gone to team number 6.
0.04 seconds.
Perfect answer, plus 8. 0.04 seconds. Reset the buzzer. Question number 2. When installed, the lowest part of the mirror should be minimum of what height? Team 3? Answer?
300 mm.
The question was when installed, the lowest part of the mirror should be minimum of what height from the floor and lifts for persons with disabilities? The answer is 300 mm. Well done. Team 3 plus 8. Okay, getting excited. You've moved to second place now. Reset the buzzer. No, you don't have to. Question number 3. What should be the minimum design load for steps for any access ladder from the machine room? That's gone to team number 4.
1500 Newton.
1500 newtons is perfectly correct. Alright, getting very exciting. 2 teams tied on 24 now. Buzzers have been reset. Question number 4 coming up. What is the minimum projection of the flexible part of a skirt deflector? Team number 3. Answer.
15 mm.
15 mm is right. Team 3, very good. That's plus 8 to you. Alright, 38, 32, 24, 20 now. 5 questions to go. Anybody's game. Buzzers have been reset. Okay. What is the minimum height of the car enclosure wall? Who's gone? Team 4.
2 meters.
Is the right answer. Wow. They're right back in it again. Alright. Two teams tied on second place. Mohammed sitting happily in the lead right now. Reset the buzzer, please. Question number 6. IS 17900-1. Excuse me. Answer. Answer now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. -4 to team 3. Reset the buzzer. You can't buzz again. Are you buzzing without me reading out the question? Okay, go ahead, please. Answer.
Safety rules for the lifts of transport of goods.
-4. That was not the question. Question was IS 17900-1 is based on which international standard? No, question is closed, but you can tell us the answer. You can tell us the answer anyway.
ISO 81001.
Exactly, ISO 81001. This is why teams, please wait for the question, right? That was a completely unnecessary negative by two teams, especially by Mohammed. Just wait, I'll complete the question and then you can go for it, yeah? So it's 34, 32, 28, 20. 3 questions remaining. For pits deeper than 1.6 meters, how many stop switches are required? That's first by team 4. Answer.
1.
Incorrect. -4. Reset the buzzer. One sec. We'll reset the buzzer. Who's gone? Team number 3.
2.
2 is the right answer, not 1, 2. For pits deeper than 1.6 meters, stop switch is required are 2. Alright. Team 3 are now in the lead with 36. Mohammed is still in the game with 34. Niket and Abhay on 28 and Shubham and Akshay still on 20. 2 questions to go. Buzzers have been reset, please. Yeah, okay. This question I will read out, the last question will be a visual. Okay. What does IS 17806 pertain to? Who's gone? Team number 4. Yes. Answer.
Guide rails and counterweights, T-type.
Guide rails for?
Cars and counterweights.
Excellent, perfect answer. Guide rails for cars and counterweights. You come right back. Now we have an interesting situation. We have the 2 Schindler teams on 36 and Mohammed Aksan on 34. And we're going to go into the last question. Reset the buzzers. Done. Alright. Guys, wait. We'll go to the question. Hold on. Reset the buzzer. Don't rush. I will show you the visual, but please wait for the question. Okay? Do not rush, I'm warning you. Let's see the visual. What does the gamma represent here? Team 6. Answer.
Groove angle.
What angle?
Groove angle.
Groove angle. That's your answer? That's your final answer? That's correct. That gets you +8. It is the groove angle. Wow, that was a really clutch answer. Please give him a big round of applause. That was really under pressure. That was a great answer there. Groove angle is right. Let's go back and see what that's done to the leaderboard. Whoa! Mohammed Aksan from Sri Saraswati Nagaraya College, Palachi has won the semi-final with that last answer. And to determine our second finalist, we are going to have a tie break only between the 2 teams. That's Rakesh and Nilesh who are on table number 3 and Niket and Abhay who are on table number 4. Let's first hear it for Mohammed for a fantastic performance. So guys, we have so what we'll do is, I think we have 2 spare questions, right, in the passing round. Yeah? I think we have question number 1 which was not done and question number Yeah, 1 and 7 are both not done. So what we'll do is, in the interest of fairness, I will do one question as a common question written to the both of you. I'll ask the question, both of you can write down an answer, I'll come and check. If one of you is right, one of you is wrong, automatically, we'll get a result. If both of you are wrong or both of you are right, we will do the remaining question on the buzzer. So there's a fair chance for both of you to try and get to it. Yeah? So we'll first do question number 7. Okay, this is common to both of you. Nobody else please answer. You just write the answer down somewhere. Same, 60-second time limit, because it's one of the unused questions from the grid. Yeah? As per the formula for establishing the load capacity of a car, what would be the capacity for a car of 4 meters by 0.5 meters? I need your answer here in both kgs and persons. Yeah, both. Just so that we can differentiate on the tiebreaker. Start the timer, please. Tell me when you have your answer ready. I will come and take a look. Seconds remaining. Seconds. You're done? Don't say anything. I'll see you. Please show me where you've written an answer out. And time's up, so I need to see your answer as well, guys. Quickly. Answer. Not fair. Time is up. So. No, but I need an answer now. I can't really give you any. Okay. Audience, what is the answer? Anybody? Has done the calc? Yeah? 13%. Not 13. 11 to 12% or 792 kgs. Team 4 said 791.4 kg, 0.52 kgs and 11 to 12 people. Team 3 said 791.4 kgs and 11 to 12 people. So there is still a tie among the two teams. Both of them got it right. I was a little extra liberal with you because your calcium is not working. It's fine, but these things you should take care of beforehand. Yeah? Okay, this means both teams hands on the buzzers. We're going to go to our question, which we'll do on the buzzer. There's no need to show the question. I will read it out. The remaining question is question number 1 in the set. Ready, both teams? Other teams, please don't buzz up and spoil this thing. So stay away. It's only for teams 3 and 4. What is the word to be used to identify landing and car door shorting devices? Yes, team 4. If you answer it, you go through. If you answer it wrong, they go through.
It's bypass.
Question is, what is the word to be used to identify landing and car door shorting devices provided on the control panel? Let's show the question now on 1. And your answer is?
Bypass.
Let's see the answer. You are correct. So team 4 Schindler, Niket and Abhay squeeze through and become our second grand finalist. Mohammad Aksan from Sri Saraswati Tyagaraja College, Podachi is of course our winner for today, and so these are the two teams which are going to go into the grand final tomorrow to fight for the 5 lakh prize money. Give a big round of applause to all our 6 teams. Very, very good contest. And can I request all of you to please come for a photograph, and can I request our esteemed judges And Mr. Tak Matthews on stage, please, for a photograph with all the teams. Please assemble in the center and move ahead a little bit. Please have the holding slide back on the screen. We have the two finalists here. Thank you very much. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for that. That was the second semi-final. So we have Fujitec and Shindler from semi-final 1 and Sri Saraswati Tyagaraja College and Shindler from semi-final 2. After a short break, we will start semi-final 3 to determine our final 2 teams for tomorrow's grand finale. Thank you very much.
No.
Good evening. Let's get ready to start the final event for today, semi-final 3 of ISEE Quiz 2025, Kaun, Banega, Mahaguru, Clash of the Code Gurus. We've had 2 excellent semi-finals so far and identified 4 of our finalists. And this will be to identify our remaining 2 finalists who will do battle tomorrow, the grand finale, for a prize money that totals up to 9 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 3 lakhs and 1 lakh each for the top first, second and third teams. And all semi-finalists of course get 10,000 rupees. For one more time today, give it up for our sponsors, Mahaguru, Fujitec, Johnson, Kaun, Mitsubishi Electric, Otis, Schindler, Electronics and Tak Consulting, and the Deliver Building Standard and EST. We are Team Nexus, bringing you this quiz. My name is Venki Srinivasan, your quiz master. Time to meet our finalists, our semi-finalists rather, of semi-final 3. Please welcome on table 1 Rahul and Momesh from Schindler. Please welcome Ajit and Ashok, also from Fujitec. Lots of internal company rivalry going on today. And the third team from Fujitec has made it. They are team number 4 today. Please welcome Harshit and Narendra. last quiz of the day. It's been a long day for all of us, but please keep your enthusiasm levels up because that's what keeps the teams going. Please continue with the generous applause. Team number 5 are the home team from CMRL, Saundar and Prakash. Yeah, the CMRL team narrowly missed out today, so I'm sure these guys will want to secure a position in the final. Remember, we already have 2 Schindler teams, 1 Fitchtech team and 1 college team in the grand finale. Alright, welcome CMRL. And the last but not the least team for today, team number 6, Ketan and Salim from Schindler. Quick round of introductions, gentlemen, starting with team 1.
Hello, myself Mohanesh Patole. I am from CRD Schindler India. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Rahul Mamani from Schindler India.
Welcome. Did you guys here last year?
No, for the first time.
Okay, all the best to you. Well, let's try your buzzer as well once. Okay, excellent. Team 2?
Myself, Bobudi from Fujitech. Ramkumar from Fujitech.
And coming your first time again?
Yeah.
Okay, all the best to you, Bhupati and Ramkumar. Try your buzzer once. Okay. Team 3?
Myself, Ajit Kumar from Fujitech India Private Limited.
Myself, Ashok Raja from Fitchtech India Private Limited.
Did you take part last year?
It's first
No.
time.
Okay, welcome to you. Reset the buzzer, please. 1 second, good. Yeah, now try it. Oh, great. Reset. Team 4?
Harshit from Fitchtech.
Narendran from Fujitech.
Okay. And you guys were here last year for the quiz?
No, sir, first
No? Okay. Good, good. Lots of first timers. Try your buzzer once. Excellent. Team 5?
Prakash from Chennai Metro Rail.
Saundar from Chennai Metro Rail.
Yes, and Sandar, you were here last year because in the
Yes,
quiz.
yes.
Yeah, okay. All the best to you guys. Just try your buzzer once. Okay. Can you just move your name card, Prakash, a little to the side? Yeah, that's good. Thanks. And team 6?
Yeah, myself, Salim from Schindler.
Myself, Ketan Shirsagar from Schindler India.
Okay. And are you here for the first time?
No, we participated in the last year.
Wonderful. Come back this year. Thank you. And try your buzzer. Great. Fantastic. You all know how it goes. So we have 3 rounds. The multiple choice round to begin with, the open-ended round coming up, and then we finish with the buzzer round. Right? So let's go straight into floor selection. You know how it works. Multiple choice, 2 attempts, plus 10, plus 6. Like I said in the earlier semi-final, please remember the total time is 1 minute. If you want to be able to take a second guess, you're not sure, my suggestion is in the 30-second mark, come up with your first guess, so that it leaves you time to guess one more time, and you're not left with time having run out, which happened in the last semi. Alright? No negative marking, so freely guess. Let's go to the grid and ask team 1 to pick.
We'll go with 1.
1. We'll start with 1 itself. In UCM type testing, what is the minimum number of tests a single set of friction parts must withstand? Time starts now. Your options are 3, 4, 5 or 6. What's the minimum number of tests a single set of friction parts must withstand? Coming up to the 30-second mark, do you want to take a guess? $25 seconds.
6.
You're saying 6. Let's click on 6. 6 is incorrect. You have another 13 seconds to guess 3, 4 or 5. 4. 4 is also incorrect. I'm sorry, the correct answer here is 5. Okay? Tough luck there. No points to team 1. Team 2, what number would you like?
3.
3. In door lock type test, what is the required power factor for the AC test circuit? 0.4 plus or minus 0.05, 0.5 plus or minus 0.05, 0.6 plus or minus 0.05, or 0.7 plus or minus 0.06. In door lock type test, how many times must it? Oh. There's some confusion with the question, reading differently. What's the required power factor was the original question, but this reads the AC locking device open and close the circuit. Okay. Is this the correct wording of the question or the earlier one? Okay, let's go back to the grid. Let's just not take a chance on this question. I think some confusion. Let's go back to the grid. We just scrap question number 3. Just pick it. Pick another number. 6. The distance between handrail profile and guide shall not exceed what value? 5 mm, 8 mm, 12 mm, 10 mm.
Roll number.
12 mm. Okay. 12 mm is not correct. You have 3 options and 28 seconds remaining. Distance between handrail profile and guide should not exceed what value? Ten seconds. Make a guess, please.
8 mm.
8 mm is the right answer. Very good. 6 points to you, team 2. 8 mm, that's correct. Back to the grid, team 3. What number would you like? Number 4.
Sorry, 7.
7.
Yes.
Okay, number 7. What is the maximum emergency electrical operation speed? Here come your options. 0.15 meter per second, 0.2 meter per second, 0.5 meter per second, or 0.3 meters. Maximum emergency electrical operation speed.
0.3 meter per second.
0.3. 0.3 meters per second. Perfect answer. Plus 10 to you, Fugitive. Table 3, well done. First team to get the full points in this round. Team 4.
9.
9. What percentage of the rated load should the car be loaded for conducting the progressive safety gear test? Your options: 125%, 150%, 175%, or 200%. What percentage of rated load should the car be loaded for conducting the progressive safety gear test?
$150.
150? Okay, let's try that. 150 is incorrect. Twenty-five seconds remaining. Audience, strictly no prompting, please. Answer, please.
125%.
125%. That is the correct answer. 6 points to you as well. For getting it on the second attempt, 125% is right. Back to the grid. And we'll ask team 5, CMR.
5.
Number 5. What is the required pressure at sill level during the landing door fire resistance test? Zero plus or minus 2, 2 plus or minus 2, 5 plus or minus 2, or 10 plus or minus 5.
Option 10 plus or minus 5%.
10 plus or minus 5, last option. That's incorrect. What's your next guess? You have 30 seconds.
Say 5.
5 plus or minus 2. Sorry, that's incorrect as well. Correct answer is 2 plus or minus 2. That's the right answer. Sorry, no points to you, CMRL. And number 6, what number would you like?
Number 5.
Number 5. 5 was just chosen. You have 2, 4 and 8 left.
4.
4. What type of glass must be used for glass panels in the well? Tempered glass, acrylic glass, laminated glass, or insulated glass?
It's laminated glass.
Laminated glass. Easy one, 10 points. Well done. Perfect answer. Absolutely right. Okay. One question for the audience. Let's do question number 2. What is the tolerance allowed for mass stated in progressive safety gear compared to permissible mass? Plus or minus 5%, 7.5%, 10% or 15%? Yes? 7.5. Very good. Correct answer. You can come and take a prize. Come on, give him a round of applause. Alright. Let's take our first look at the scores. Okay, nice symmetry on the leaderboard there. 2 teams on 10 points, that's Fujitec and Schindler. 2 Fujitec teams on 6 points, and Schindler and CMRL yet to start. So it's paired up there, but long way to go. We still have 15 more questions to do. Let's go back and go to round number 2, which is going up. You know how it works. Same grid will appear, similar grid will appear. You pick a question, no options, open-ended. In 60 seconds, we need one answer from you, 10 points, no negatives. That's how we go. We go in reverse order. So team 6, Schindler, please pick.
2.
Number 2. Schindler, what is the minimum number of independent suspension elements for fixing the panel of vertically sliding doors? Time starts now.
2.
You say it's 2, you got it in just a few seconds and you're absolutely right, it is 2. Well done. Correct answer is 2. Great answering, 10 points to team 6. Back to the grid, team 5. CMRL wants number 6.
Number 6.
On moving box, the distances between stop switches for emergency situations shall not exceed what value? So give your answer in meters.
40 meter.
40 meters, brilliant answer, perfectly right. Well done. 40 meters is just correct. Excellent. Plus 10 to you, CMRL. You open your account. Very good. Team 4, Fujitec.
9.
9. As per the formula for establishing the load capacity of a car, what would be the capacity of a car of 3 meters by 0.5 meters? Again, you can give here, you can give your answer either in kgs, which is the ideal answer we want, or in people.
1277.1.
1277.
77.1 kg.
That's incorrect. We pass you on to team number 3.
(541 kg).
How many kg?
541.
541. Okay. Passing you, team 2.
567 kg.
Is the right answer, team 2, and how many people would that be roughly?
8 to 9.
Excellent answer, absolutely right. 567 kg or 8%, that is correct. Team 2 get themselves 10 points. Back to the grid. Team 3, your chance to choose. Will you take? What number would you like?
Number 7.
Number 7. Here's a question for you. In UCM, what is the maximum vertical distance allowed between the landing sill and the lowest part of the car apron? You have 25 seconds remaining. What is the maximum vertical distance allowed between the landing sill and the lower part of the car apron? Seconds.
200.
Sorry?
200.
It's your question. Yeah, okay. What's your answer?
200.
200 what?
Mm.
In meters, that would be?
0.2.
Excellent. Take your points. Well done in the nick of time. That's correct. 200 mm or 0.2 meters is a good answer, team 4. Team 3. That gets you 10 points. 10 points to team 3. Back to the grid. Team 2. Pick a number. Yeah, 1, 3, 4, 5.
3.
3. What is the maximum allowed rated speed for hydraulic elevators? What is the maximum allowed rated speed for hydraulic elevators? Teams, remember, only 10 seconds on the pass in case it passes. Seconds. Seconds.
1 meter per second.
Is the right answer. Well done. You sounded a little doubtful, but that is correct. It is 1 meter per second. Well done. Plus 10 to team 2. Okay, 2 answers in this round for team 2. Team 1. What number would you like? We have 1, 4 and 5 remaining.
5.
5. What does E classification indicate in lift landing door fire resistance test standard?
Integrity.
Integrity, perfect answer. Quickly dispatched there. Integrity is right, and that gets you your 10 points. Like we did earlier, we'll do one question with the audience and then save up a couple of questions in case we have to use it for tie breaks. Hold on a second, let me tell you. Let's do question number 4. What is the maximum pressure that the manual hand pump equipped with pressure relief valve must be limited to in comparison with the full load pressure? How many times? Yes. 2.3 times is correct. Well done. Would you like to take a prize? Please give him the book. Yeah. From Schindler, give him a round of applause. Thank you, sir. Okay, semi-final 3. Kaun, Banega, Mahaguru 2025. Time to take a look at our leaderboard with 9 buzzer questions to go. Okay, Bhupati and Ramkumar from Fujitech on table 2 have gone into the lead. Their friends from Shimla, Ajit from Fujitech, Ajit and Ashok, who are next to them on table 3 are on 20. Salim and Ketan from Shimla are also on 20. Rahul and Monesh and CMRL and Narendran are on 10 and Narendran and Harshit are on 6. But remember, there's 72 points at stake. We'll keep it on the leaderboard. One more test of the buzzers. Team 1. Reset 2. Reset 3. Reset 4. Reset. Leave the water bottle away. Team 4. 5. Reset 6. Alright. Okay. Ready? First 8 questions will be only text, and then the 9th question will be a visual. Like before, if you interrupt me while I'm still reading, I'll stop it. Okay? Question 1. What is the maximum permissible undercut angle of semicircular grooves of friction sheet? That's team number 1. Yes. Into the mic. 25 degrees?
25 degrees.
Incorrect. -4 to team 1. Reset the buzzer. It's gone to team number 6.
It's 105.
105 is the right answer. Well done. That's 8 points to team 6. Reset the buzzer. Okay. The green button for exit floor should protrude by how much in lifts for persons with disabilities? Speak into the mic. Team 1. 5 mm plus or minus 1 mm. 5 mm is fine. We'll give it to you. Plus 8. Question number 3. Buzzers have been reset. Okay. What is the minimum stroke allowed for energy accumulation type buffers regardless of speed? Team number 6.
65 mm.
Excellent answer. Plus 8. 65 mm. Great going. Great going there, Salim and Ketan. Reset the buzzer. Okay. Question number 4. What is the primary direction in which the POL device is designed to operate? Team number 6.
Downward direction.
Downward direction. Excellent. Another plus 8. Team 6 on a roll over here. Reset buzzer again. What is the requirement of safety factor of rope used at door panel? Again, Team 6.
8.
Brilliant. 3 in a row. Team 6. Plus 8. Now I think you have pretty much convincingly won this, but there are 4 questions remaining, so let's see. Reset the buzzer. Okay. The Indian standard IS 17515-1 is a direct adoption of which international standard? Who's gone for it? Team 1. Answer immediately into the mic. ISO? ISO 2745.
25745.
Okay, 25745 is correct. Plus 8 to you. It is ISO 257451. Okay, very close. I think Salim and Ketan have pretty much won this unless they decide to do something to shoot themselves in the foot. But we have a close contest for second place. We have team 2 on 26, team 1 on 22, team 3 on 20, and CMRL on 10 with 3 answers can very easily get home as well. Question number 7. What is the minimum enclosure height at the landing door side for a partially enclosed well? Who's gone? Team number 1.
65.
Incorrect. -4 to team 1. Reset the buzzer. Reset the buzzer. What is the minimum enclosure height at the landing door side for a partially enclosed well? Who's gone? Team 3. Answer.
2.5 meter.
Incorrect. It's 3.5 meter, not 2.5 meter. That is going to be another -4 for you. Okay, now it's gotten even closer. Bhupati and Rahma's lives have been made easier by their friends by taking a negative on either side. So let's see what happens. We have 2 questions remaining. I think you guys can now chill. Yeah? You are definitely through. So mathematically you can't be beaten. There's only 16 points at stake. Question number 8. What is the maximum pit depth which can be provided without access door? Now team 4.
2,500
What?
mm.
Is the right answer team 4? That brings you back in contention as well. Okay, so now we have team 2 on 26, team 1 on 18, team 3 on 16, team 4 on 14. So anybody's game, there are 8 points to be had. If team 1 answers this, we go into a tiebreaker with team 2. Team 2 answers this, they win. Teams 3 or 4 answer this, team 2 wins, but team 2 could take a negative and then somebody else could answer it and win the quiz as well. Okay? Anything's possible. The last question is a visual. I'll already tell you what it is. You have to reset the buzzer, please. You have to identify the type of group. Visual. Team 4. Answer.
V group.
V group. Very good. 8 points is the right answer. V group is the right answer. And with that, I think you have helped your friends in team 2. With that answer, let's see the final leaderboard. Alright, turned out to be a pretty close contest. CMRS, Andhra and Prakash on 10 points. Ajit and Ashok Fujitech, who are on table number 3 on 16 points. Just ahead of them, Rahul and Monesh from Schindler on table 1 with 22 points. With 18 points. In third place, Narendran and Harshit from Fujitech on 22 points with that last answer. Very well done. But that has meant that Bhupati and Ramkumar from Fujitech are in second place with 26 points. And see you tomorrow in the finals. Comfortably winning this quiz and crossing the half century mark are Salim and Ketan from Schindler with 52. So first semi-final had Fujitech at position 1, Schindler at position 2. Second semi-final had a young college student followed by the team from Schindler, and now we have Schindler and Fujitech as well. So going to be quite a battle tomorrow with 3 teams from Schindler, 1 team and 1 solo contestant from Fujitech, and our young solo college student all competing for the grand prize. Give all our teams who took part today a round of applause, and may I request our amateurs and stack matches to come on stage for a photograph. Please, all the teams request you to line up here for a photo. Gentlemen, with that we conclude proceedings for today. The symposium starts at 9:30 tomorrow. Please do be here. There's a lot to learn, observe and participate in this unique industry event. Our quiz grand finale starts at 2:30 p.m. But before that, please be here at 9:30 a.m. for the symposium. We hope you have a productive evening today and a great day tomorrow. Thank you very much for participating. See you all tomorrow. Bye-bye. Hard
Code gurus. Could I get a little bit of, the elevator industry in India is probably about 50,000 plus. The number of people who are there out there. So you guys are in the top because without knowing standards and codes, you are nothing in the elevator industry. So consider yourselves as code gurus, and I really am proud to see how you're progressing. And those companies who are not participating, well, I think it's their loss more than anything else. I think you all deserve to give yourself a round of applause. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for being here.